For me. Do me this one favor for me. I had to change my play up way.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I look very orange, lighting and makeup and stuff. Basically, I'm going to be doing a hair review today. It is not an Aliexpress one, it is one from an actual shop. Yeah, I've not been on camera for a while, so I've done my makeup, so I'm just going to do my hair whilst talking. Basically my hair is from Pape and Camile's in Brixton, actual store. If you didn't know about it, it was my cousin that recommended it to me. So I'm just going to be styling my hair and having a little chit chat and whatnot. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to do the review now or later, but what we can start off with is just straightening it. As you can see, it's a lot of hair. I've just washed it. I literally washed it the other day and I've not worn it since, but yeah. I'm just going to spray some heat protector on my hair first. Can I just start off with as well?
Disclaimer, I am not a bloody hairdresser, okay? I'm not the best at hair. So whatever any of you lot have to say, yeah, I don't want to hear it. I'm not going to come with me with any kind of nonsense.
If you say you can like see my hair and stuff, basically my sister, she like has a hair page and stuff, and she's like practicing and stuff, so I let her do my wig, and it was the first time her doing a frontal, and she cut a bit too much of the lace off, but I don't really mind because yeah, it's just straight black hair. I'm not going to be doing too many styles with it. I have been like super busy, like, and I've been so busy that I've not been able to record, and like I've not actually been based in one place.
I've been from since my last video, I've been from Bristol to London to Northampton about 6 times.
And literally every couple of days I go somewhere else. Like I'm never in one place for more than 4 or 5 days. So that's why I've not been able to record, because it's like I can't take my camera set up everywhere. I'm working, like I've been doing shows and stuff. I just come back from Leeds because I went to Leeds Festival. I did Leeds Festival. I got press passes for that, so I was like doing work there for Black Pie magazine, if you guys haven't already. But yeah, I'm more active on Instagram and Snapchat, so if you actually want to keep up to date with me, then you can do that through there, because it's a lot easier to keep up with my life through Instagram and stuff. My birthday's in a couple weeks. I am not doing anything. Everyone's been asking me like, what are you doing? What are you doing? And I'm like, girl. And I'm not really planning my birthday. I'm turning 20, if you guys didn't know. Big girl in that. I'm turning 20. But yeah, I've just been like planning the rest of my year, basically. And the Wi-Fi in one of the places that I'm in, Northampton, is so bad. Like in my house, it's so bad, so I can't actually record. Like when I record, like I can't even edit it because it won't let me upload it onto YouTube. So it's like so bad. But the main topic that I am going to be talking about today is my career. My journalism presenting career, because I have had some people have been saying, well, not people have been saying, but some little rumors have been going around that I have like I've not basically that someone's been doing this, like been getting me all of my bookings and stuff, and you know, what's it called, sorting out like basically all of the stuff that I've been doing since last year October when I started this whole thing. Someone has been doing it for me and I've not done it myself. Someone basically told me that, and I just want to make it clear that everything that I've put on Instagram or Facebook or vlogged about or whatever, I have done it myself. The only people that have helped me get my jobs is Black Pie Magazine, so the editor from Black Pie Magazine. And anytime I get a job with Black Pie Magazine, I do state, yeah, I'm doing it with Black Pie Magazine. Or any of my fashion events that I go to, like London Fashion Week, etc., stuff like that, like the high-end fashion stuff, I do that with another company, La Marche, and that is through Jefferson, who's the managing director of that company. So those two are the only people that have ever actually helped me get to a particular event. But anything that I've done myself, like when I went to ABN Radio, oh, also Vamp. I have done some stuff with Vamp as well, but that's usually through Blackfire. But yeah, anything I've done myself, like when I went to ABN Radio, any bookings that I get, like Team Ghana, etc., I all did that myself. And I have a video. I did a video with Jess Mensah, the girl that I work with occasionally. We did a video on how we get our bookings and stuff. So for anyone that thinks that I have some sort of guy that helps me do these, you've got it twisted, okay?
You have it very wrong. It's very wrong.
Everyone genuinely does have haters. Like, if you don't have haters, then I don't know. You literally, there's always someone out there that doesn't F with you, okay? And it's okay. It's fine. You know, it's fine. Not everyone's gonna like you, and that's fine. And I'm cool with that. Yeah, with those rumors, like, I just want to clear it right now, like right now, that I have done everything myself. All my bookings I do myself, and I don't have no management. I do it myself, okay? And I've already cleared up how I get my jobs in a separate video, so you can watch those videos. It's not even that far down. It's a couple videos down.
You don't even know what I saw in you. Stop calling my phone at 3 AM and begging me to come through and replay.
Yeah, so that is the end of the video. See, I don't know if you can see, but I'm 5'5", 5'6". So if you want to get the hair, I think I got a 24 inch, 22 inch, and no, 26, 24, 22 inch. Did I get 26 inches? I think I did. I think this is 26, 24, 22 inches with an 18-inch frontal. They gave me these to like explain to you guys like the hair that I got. So this hair was the Brazilian 8A hair. And yeah, basically it's like, it will give you the price of the bundle, so from there you can kind of work out. So I got Brazilian 8A hair. Pape and Camile's are based in Brixton, but you can also order the hair on a website. I'll leave all of the information, their email, the website, the shop number, etc., so you can actually contact them. But depending on the lengths you get depends on the price. So if you was to get the 26, 24, 22 with an 18-inch bundle like this, yeah, about 200. The hair is super soft. It doesn't shed. I've washed it, bleached the knots, everything, no shedding. Obviously with every hair you get like the standard amount of shedding, but I've had hair from like Aliexpress and stuff that literally like is just falling out and pouring out, but this one doesn't shed at all. I love the hair so much. I really wanted just a black wig because I don't have one. I had a black wig, which was my Aliexpress hair review that I reviewed, the last hair I did, but I lost it. Don't even ask me how I lost the wig, okay? It was in transit from university to here. I lost it.
I've not styled it properly, so please, I don't want to hear nothing in the comments about whatever, okay? So, yeah.
Yes. Peace out, y'all. Peace out, y'all. Y'all know what it is. What's up? Got your nigga in the club. Got